Hello, I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creators. Now's content for Class 9, CBSE, ICSE and other boards. Unit Diversity in Living Organisms. Topic Biodiversity and Introduction of the Biological Classification. At first, the Earth is home to an enormous variety of life forms, from microscopic organisms invisible to the naked eye to giant trees, from glowing jellyfish to soaring eagles. Life exists in countless forms and habitats, from the snow-clad Himalayas to the coral reefs of the Andaman Sea. Next, this immense variety of living organisms is known as biodiversity. Biodiversity is essential for life and the earth. Every organism plays a role in keeping nature stable and functioning. Next, why diversity in living organisms matter in biology. Biodiversity is used to define the diversity of life forms worldwide. It is a word that is used more often to refer to the classification of living species found in a particular geographic region. The diversity of living species of a geographic region in an area provides stability in the respective region. Over millions of years, diversity has been going on in living beings. Species have evolved from ape-like beings to Homo sapiens. People look for similarities between organisms to classify them, and hence they study them as a whole. Regarding these fundamental characteristics need to be decided, which would form the foundation for classifying. Next, short note of biological classification. The process of putting all the organisms in certain groups on the basis of certain similarities and differences is known as classification. Various characteristics are taken into account in order to classify an organism. Some of them are the type of cell present, whether the organism is having eukaryotic cell or a prokaryotic cell, the number of cells, whether the organism is unicellular or multicellular, body organization, whether the organization is cellular, tissue level or organ level. Next, the nutrition of organisms, whether it's autotrophic or heterotrophic, morphological features of the organisms and anatomical features of the organism, etc. Next, classification system. Various scientists have proposed their own model of classifying organisms. Some of these are given below. First, two-kingdom classification. Carolus Linnaeus gave the two-kingdom systems of classification and divided all the organisms into two groups as Plantae and Animalia. This kind of classification brought all the organisms which had a cell wall together within their cell in one group called the Plantae, and the rest all were placed in the other group known as Animalia. Next, five kingdom classification. R.H. Whitaker proposed a five kingdom classification. This classification is accepted and corrected worldwide. A number of criteria were considered for making this model, like the cell type, cell number, cell organization, nutrition, etc. Name of the five kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Next, hierarchy of classification. Carolus Linnaeus arranged the organisms into different taxonomic groups at different levels. The group from top to bottom are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Now the topic has ended. For the playlist of class 9, please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima.